Forget everything my attorney said. Those were the words of Dylann Roof as he began representing himself in the sentencing phase of his death penalty trial. Roof was found guilty last month of murdering 9 black worshipers at Mother Emanuel AME Church in Charleston. 7 News reporter Dave Jordan is at the federal courthouse in Charleston with this wrap-up of this first day.
4 people took the stand today, but the most compelling testimony came from the wife of Mother Emanuel pastor and state senator Clementa Pinckney. But that testimony seemed to have little impact on Dylann Roof. Dylann Roof sat motionless and said little throughout most of the morning and early afternoon. The few times he did speak, he did so in opening statements, telling the jurors to ignore everything his attorneys previously said. He went on to say nothing was wrong with him psychologically and that he wasn't going to lie to them. In their opening statements, prosecutors told the jury they would hear testimony they hadn't heard before, and at times it would be uncomfortable to listen to. They said Roof was deserving of the death penalty because he showed no remorse. Jennifer Pinckney, the wife of senior Mother Emanuel pastor Clementa Pinckney, told the jury about the moment she heard gunshots in the church. She locked the door of the office she was in, huddled under a desk with her daughter, and called 911. She also testified that she heard Dylann Roof approach the office and declare there was nothing wrong with him and that he had to do this. Jurors heard the 911 call Mrs. Pinckney made in those frantic moments as a dispatcher pleaded with her not to leave the office, even as the police arrived. Roof declined to cross-examine Mrs. Pinckney, telling the judge no questions. Those 4 people who testified were the first of 38 people set to take the stand in the penalty phase. Testimony continues tomorrow and will likely go through next week. In Charleston, Dave Jordan, 7 News.